So imagine you have a dog, and your dog's name is Frank. It's a strange dog name, but just go with it. You and Frank are best pals. You go on walks together, Frank always walks faster, but still, you really love Frank a lot. You only have one photo of Frank though, this goofy shot of Frank at his birthday party, drooling on the cake. And because you love this weirdly named dog so much, you're worried you might lose this photo. So you upload the photo, your favorite photo, to one of your favorite photo websites, like Flickr, Facebook, or Picasa. And without realizing it, you just started cloud computing. But what does that mean? When you put Frank's photo online, you could picture a giant cloud coming down to vacuum up this photo off your laptop. Then the photo of Frank, birthday hat and all, lives up in the cloud until you need to look at it again. You log onto Flickr or Facebook, and there's Frank. You can see him from wherever you want, from home, from work, even on your phone, in case you start missing Frank during your lunch break. At first, the cloud seems like magic, but it's not. The photo of Frank isn't flying around in the sky. Frank's photo actually lives in a secret warehouse full of computers. These warehouses are called data centers, or server farms, and they're popping up all over the world, just like crops. Inside one of the computer warehouses, there are rows and rows of refrigerator-sized computer towers that are way more powerful than your home computer. It's hard to know exactly where your photo of Frank may be once it's in the cloud. That's because it may be in a dozen of these warehouses all at once. Frank may be chilling in Paris or hanging out in India. There's really no way to know for sure. You just have to trust a web company, like Google or Microsoft, to keep Frank safe. There are a bunch of reasons to do this. The first is that, well, you only have one photo of Frank. It's on your laptop, and if that laptop breaks, if an alien comes to steal the data, or if your apartment melts when a volcano erupts, you're out of luck. No more Frank, no more memories. But when Frank's in the cloud, he's stored not just in one place, but all over the place. So you're less likely to lose him. You also can access Frank's photo from anywhere. You can send a link to some of your friends so they can see Frank too. That's just one of the many powers of cloud computing. And it's not just you and Frank. Entire businesses are running in the cloud. There are plenty of reasons to be scared of the cloud too. But for now, you decide to trust the cloud as backup. If Frank's happy, then you're happy.
The corporate execs urgently need a new application launch to respond to an emerging market threat. They're counting on you, and more specifically the data center, to make it happen now. But you can't launch it now, because it'll still take you weeks to provision the required boxes to deploy a brand new application in your data center. Buzzkill. Fortunately, your data center doesn't have to be a giant hurdle keeping you from deploying new applications fast. Converting your data center to a private cloud can shave your time to market from weeks to minutes. And that means your services are creating more revenue and happier customers and execs faster. And faster service delivery isn't the only reason to move to a private cloud. Cloud orchestration greatly increases data center efficiency by intelligently boosting utilization so you can do more with fewer resources. And that means lower power requirements and lower management and labor costs. Clouds also enable automated scaling required to accelerate complex analytics, so you can get big insight from your big data more quickly, enabling faster and better decisions, and keeping your company ahead of the pack. In short, a private cloud transforms your data center from a business support resource to a strategic business driver, unshackling the IT team from the tedious task of provisioning boxes so they can focus on innovative services and projects that give you a competitive edge. Chances are you've already implemented server virtualization, so you're partway there. Private clouds virtualize and pool every resource, storage, network, and servers, and then add in some intelligent automation and orchestration to create a software-defined infrastructure that continuously self-adapts to changing workload demands and infrastructure conditions. So, how do you get there? Well, start by evaluating your current infrastructure and create a cloud roadmap. If you're already virtualizing your servers, you'll need to add cloud orchestration and management software. You might start with your virtualization software vendor. Chances are they have exactly what you need, all while leveraging your current software investment. Plus, many of today's cloud tools let you seamlessly manage and extend workloads across private and public clouds. That enables a buy the space, rent the spike hybrid cloud strategy, where you can burst selected workloads over to the public cloud during demand surges. Hybrid clouds let you maximize the value of your private cloud investment while giving you flexible, on-demand elasticity to scale. If you'd like to take the next step and find out more about moving to a private cloud, we have great resources that can help. You can find them and more right here on the web.